Welcome back to Knife Eats, everyone. We're at the world's largest Chinatown here in Bangkok. It's jam-packed. There's so many vendors. There's so much to try out. I won't waste any time, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's eat. Yeah, this one.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys. So I have the bird's nest. I'm not sure what this is or what it means, but let's just give it a try. I have no idea how to describe this. It's really hot. It's kind of like, I don't know how to describe this. Let's see. Let's do another taste. It's almost like little pieces of jello. That's the kind of texture. It's really like translucent and warm and slightly sweet, but I'm not sure what this is.
So there's a reason why I didn't tell Marina what this is. So it's an actual bird's nest. They're harvested actually, and the bird's nest, how they're created is with the bird's saliva, solidified saliva. Let's see what this actually tastes like. See how it's gooey? Is it focused or no?
Yes, oh my god.
You see how it's gooey? The saliva is not solidified anymore. It's gooey in its original state. Let's give it a try. Wow, it's like light, almost gelatin-like, which is like dried saliva, but it's a very interesting dish. There's also, I think, like almost like a grape or something. Let's give this a try.
Or an eyeball, who knows?
I don't know what that was. It was almost like a gummy. But look at this. It's so translucent almost. Like
Saliva.
like gelatin-like, but also mixed with like sliminess, mixed with a juice of some sort. We got it heated. You can get it cooled or heated. We got it heated, and very, very interesting dish. This is good. If you didn't know what it was, you would say it was a good dish. You know, it's sweet, there's textures, it's heated. Marina's making faces behind the camera.
He did me so dirty, guys. I would have never tried that if he told me what it was. I feel scammed right now. That's how I feel.
She would have never tried it though. Oh man.
We're not off to a good start.
She said we're not off to a good start, but we're off to a great start. We're gonna try so much food here. There's so many stalls. You have to be careful not to get hit. What I also ordered was a black sesame dumplings in ginger tea. This is what kind of looks like. This is something I think Marina would try, you know, but it looks so unappealing. But let's try it out.
It looks like, you know those science experiments like in the labs where they have like the eyeballs and like a liquid? That's what this looks like to me. It doesn't look like anything delicious, so we'll see.
Maybe we can find some actual eyeballs to try, Marina. What do you think?
From now on, I'm Google translating everything. I'm not trusting Omar whatsoever.
So how do you feel after eating bird saliva?
I feel like I need to go home and drink a bottle of Clorox.
So let's try these black sesame dumplings and ginger tea. Let's try the tea first. And the color, it's like, what would you describe that color?
It's like brown. It's like
that green brown. There's so much ginger in this. Kind of like the health drink that we had at Hong Kong Port, where you take a little sip and like it burns the back of your throat. This has to be healthy in some way. Like ginger, what are the benefits of ginger? You know, ginger's always used as like a health shot or whatever. But this right here is probably good for you. Let's try the black sesame dumplings. They look kind of gelatinous. Oh wow. The color of this. It's black sesame and it's grainy. Like you take a bite and the inside is grainy. It's like kind of like seeds almost, like ground up seeds where it's like all little bits, and then the outside is so gelatinous where it's like gummy. It's like very soft and gummy. Okay. This is actually really good.
Coconut. Ice cream, coconut.
We're okay, thank you.
And with trying the juice by itself, it's heated as well. The ginger is so strong, but with the sesame is sweet, and the ginger, sesame, and the chewiness, it was actually really good. Wow. Surprisingly, you know, the flavors complement each other so well. You have to try this. I kid you not, it's really good. I don't know about the solidified saliva, but this right here is delicious.
Alright, so I have the sesame ginger, what is it?
Dumplings.
Sesame ginger dumpling. Let's give it a taste. It was so spicy, but
The ginger.
it's really sticky. It's kind of like sticking to my teeth. It's very grainy, like Omar said. It's kind of like, and the dumpling kind of sticks to your teeth. So I went to get some of the ginger tea to kind of wash the stickiness, and it just like burned the back of my throat. It was so spicy. So another dish that very interesting, fun to try. Will I get it again? I don't know, but definitely a unique dish. It's very grainy on the inside and then chewy and sticky on the outside with that ginger tea. So if you're into that, then get this.
The ginger broth is like so strong, and since it's heated, you have to be careful. Like if you sip too much of it too fast, you're gonna cough like Marina did. But in moderation with the black sesame dumpling, it's really good. I like that dish. I like both dishes.
Alright guys, we're on to the next. Let's see what other fun dishes we can try. So we found Chinatown's famous toasted bread, and there's so many flavors to choose from, and there's also a long line of people, so let's get in line. I think we decided on the chocolate and strawberry, so let's order. Okay, I'm gonna do one chocolate and one strawberry. Thank you. Pepper crab. Okay, let's find a seat. Alright, so I got the chocolate one and Omar got the... Look at the chocolate, it's just like melting. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Alright, let's give it a taste.
We're gonna get dirty for sure.
Okay.
Oh, eat it over the thing.
It's just milk chocolate. It's so good, it's so warm. And it's just like melting everywhere. And the bread it has a nice little like crisp when you bite into it, but then it's really soft and warm and delicious. So good. I'm so glad we tried this.
You have to be a little bit mindful of your toes here because it could be hectic. There's cars, there's people.
Oh, right behind you.
There's, oh, right here, look at that. So bring shoes that you don't mind getting dirty if you get run over by a wheel or something, or someone steps on it, you know. That just comes with a busy market. Since I'm the involuntary cameraman, we're gonna have Marina hold this dish because it's just
A mess.
a mess. Look at her fingers.
Chocolate fingers.
Chocolate fingers. Let's give this a try.
Oh! Why did I catch it? Why did I try to put my hand in?
That's so good. Let's try again. That's so good. What's really cool is that they toast the bread. They have a skillet there right next to them where they make it nice and crispy. That's really good. That's really good.
I brought in no big name, alright, no big stars. I play the blues for you on my guitar. Oh, your loneliness. Oh, I try to say true. I play the blues for you. Loneliness, I try to soothe. I play the blues for you.
Thank you. Okay, good. Thank you. Happy crab. Ooh, it's hot. So I got this pork, and each one is 2.5 baht. I'll put the dollar conversion here, which is a crazy deal.
Perfect, yeah.
It's like caramelized, and they're super sticky. Let's give it a try. They're sweet. More like a teriyaki flavor. Marina, these are good. The fat, when they cook it on the grill, the fat becomes like caramelized and like charred. So it's not chewy, you know. Sometimes you eat pork, you chew on the fat and you're like fighting with it. This, it just like melts, you know? Since it's like caramelized, the outside is crunchy, but the inside is so tender. That's so good. I gotta have some more actually. These are so freaking good. I ordered 2 for 5 baht, but you can get 8 for 20 baht. and I'm gonna have to. They're so freaking good. They're like, I don't know if you guys have ever had candied bacon. It's kind of like that actually. It's exactly like that, where it's like sweet on the outside, caramelized, inside is bacon, and it's freaking delicious. I ordered 2, and now I order 8. And I was telling Marina that I think these are essentially candied bacon, and these are freaking delicious. I love candied bacon. Me and Marina went through a phase when we had our off days. We buy bacon, we buy the brown sugar, and we make candied bacon, and it's like a snack we would eat throughout the day, which is horrible looking back now. But this is candied bacon on a stick.
Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh, it's charred nice.
It's sweet, bacony, fatty. This is freaking delicious. Where in the US can I find this? Someone, please tell me. You know what? Business idea. I'm gonna open up a food truck where I only sell this like candied bacon on a stick. And everyone in the US loves bacon. Our breakfast consists of eggs, bacon, sausage. Everyone loves bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? And candied bacon? I'd be a millionaire. I'm really glad we came here. We found at least my favorite dish so far, and my new business idea in the U.S. And we leave tomorrow at 7, so we're trying to use every minute we can to record and find the best food in Thailand. And this is freaking delicious.
It's really hot.
Yeah, they're hot. It's good, right?
It reminds me of like a family cookout.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Kind of like a char.
It has a nice char.
You know, your dad burns the burgers or something, that char.
Maybe your dad, not my dad.
My dad's a funny guy. He likes his burgers burned and his steaks like burned. Like not even well done. He likes them burned, okay?
The fat is so like, it just melts.
Right? When I was looking at it, I thought like, oh wow, like it has a lot of fat, you know? It's gonna be chewy, and that's why I only got 2, but man, it like breaks apart.
What is it?
I don't know. And you know what? This is actually a perfect snack with a beer. It's kind of salty, so you're kind of thirsty, you know?
Says the man that doesn't drink beer.
Yeah, I don't drink, but right now I'm like kind of parched and craving something fizzy and refreshing in a way.
I'm on the hunt for some dumplings.
Oh yeah. If we can find some fire dumplings, that'd be sick.
That would be a great market adventure.
We got a lot more to explore. Let's go see what other. Let's go. Can I speak? Let's go see what we can find. way that gentleman made the hot dog was pretty cool. I got the one with cheese on top, hot dog on the bottom, with potato, and then what he recommended was the sugar, which is really popular, and then also the cheese, so I'll just go with that. But it looks so cool. Look at this. You see all the potatoes? Let's give it a try. The inside is creamy. The inside, you see the cheese. This thing's pretty good. It's a weird texture and flavors because you have the cheese, you have the sugar, you have also the cheese on top, which is really good. We just ordered some pork with beef soup. This is so freaking good. It's like corn on the cob or something.
It's like a corn on the cob. Because it's on the stick.
It's like, you know what it's like? It's like a big fry. It's like fries mixed with a cheese stick, mixed with like something fried. And mixed with something sweet. It's so good. I'll take one bite or no? Our pork soup is coming.
Take the bus.
This is our pork soup. Looks freaking delicious. This big ass truck. We're right next to a busy street. And there's this really cool like neon sign next to us. But I want to try the other half of this, which is a hot dog. It's so large. Marina doesn't want to try it, so I don't think I'll be able to finish it, but let's try the end of this. You can't see the dog. I'm trying to bite into it.
You're from Chicago and you're eating a hot dog outside of Chicago?
Hell yeah! Hot dogs are from around the world. I don't even think were they made in Chicago? Invented in Chicago? There's Polish hot dogs, which are like sausages. There's Russian sausages. There's Chinese sausages. Sausages are found around the world. It's not just a Chicago thing. Chicago has a specific type of style of hot dog, but hot dogs are found around the world.
It was funny because one time I was on the phone with a customer service rep, and she's like, "Oh, where are you from?" And I'm like, "Oh, Chicago." And she's like, "Oh, I've always wondered, like, what's a Chicago style hot dog? Like, what do you get on it?" And I like didn't really know. I was like, onions and ketchup and mustard. I didn't even know. She's like, "And why is it like that?" I'm like, "I don't know." I felt like I'm not really from Chicago.
Yeah, Chicago. They put a bunch of everything but ketchup.
Yeah.
But let's bite into this last piece. And I'm really interested in seeing how this hot dog feels. Hot dog feels. Hot dog tastes. I don't want to feel no hot dog. What the hell? What's wrong with me? We're tired. We've been recording all day because it's our last full day here. Yesterday, we finished 3 videos, as in just videos we didn't complete throughout the week, and we filmed 4 new videos. So we've been really busy. We're trying to take advantage. You know, we work full time and we don't have the luxury of being able to travel full time. You know, traveling full time would be amazing. And Thailand has really pushed us to want to do this 100%. Because after 9 days here, we think that we could live here for a longer period of time, and matter of fact, live around the world for a longer period of time, not just Thailand. Thailand's an amazing country, beautiful people. You know, they're so nice.
Beautiful people.
And both genders, beautiful. And they're so nice, so gentle. in the U.S., it's more like it's the dog eat dog world. Like, get out my way, you know, like cut people off, or like, you know, be aggressive. The U.S. is very aggressive. Here, everything is about peace. Everyone's peaceful.
And like just respectful. Like when you walk past someone here, like they acknowledge you and like say hello.
Yeah.
In the U.S., everyone's kind of like in their own world, or at least where we're at. So
Yeah.
thank you.
And we're really glad that we came here 100%. And hopefully, if you guys press the subscribe button and we get enough subscribers, we'll be able to travel the world. Did I just almost poke you with this? Look at this. Well, if we get enough subscribers, we might be able to travel the world. And I know I'm like moving this sharp
Yeah, why don't
thing.
you put it down?
It's kind of dangerous, actually. Look how sharp this is. And it's like a strong piece of wood. This is dangerous. I'm over here flinging it. But please subscribe and hit the bell notification if you like our videos. Put comments down below of where you want us to go next. And hopefully we can make this dream happen. But finishing that note, I still want to try this freaking hot dog and see how it tastes. How it tastes compared to us Chicagoans.
How is it?
It's a very similar hot dog like the U.S. Has a good bite and really good flavor, similar to the ones we have back home. You know, I think it's a little bit softer bite than what some of the hot dogs from Chicago, because some of the Chicago dogs have like a big crunch. And I like that about Chicago dogs, but this is still really, really good. Let's try the pork soup that I got. This might be one of the last dishes. Oh, what the world? Look at this. What the world is this?
What is
It's
that?
like Jello-like.
I don't trust the Jello.
Let's try. I think I traumatized Marina, you know, with the bird's nest soup or a bird's nest dish. Let's try some of the soup, the broth first. That's really good. Salty. The broth is like almost like aromatic, earthy. They put some herbs. I don't know which herbs. There's also, it looks like lettuce. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Is it lettuce?
Yeah, this is lettuce. Let's try it out. That's really good. I'm trying to put my words together to describe this, but it's like light. Has a good bite with it. Delicious. You can't go wrong with this. I wish I lived nearby because there's just so many good food options here.
Yeah.
Like hundreds of food options. If I lived a couple blocks that way, I think I would be able to try a different food every single day.
Yeah. You definitely
365. You'd probably be able to go to so many restaurants throughout the year. You'll never go to one restaurant twice.
Overall, this market was so much fun. There's so much here. It's kind of crazy how large it is. And it's not like the streets are closed off either. So there's like traffic going through. You really gotta like watch where you're going. But it's a lot of fun. You'll definitely try several new things here because I'm not sure where else in the world you could try this stuff. Especially that bird's nest dish. But
that was the best. If you tried that, I think you can try anything. Marina's very picky, so I'm trying to expand her palate.
But overall, this was really fun, and I would definitely come back to this market just because there's so many unique dishes here. Like, it's a lot of fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our little Chinatown adventure. This is definitely the largest Chinatown I've ever seen.
Put a comment down below where you want us to try next. We're here for one more day. And if you did like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one.